on the childcare programme, I watched it, and I have to say what surprised me in the programme was the almost total lack of hands-on management. I don't know if that was perhaps contributed to by the way the programme was edited, but I've been in a lot of crashes, both as a parent a long time ago and recently, in recent years, because of my job as minister. Huge numbers of community centres have creche facilities. They're highly valued by the local community, highly regarded, and through community employment we provide a training structure over a number of years for people who want to get involved and develop a career in childcare. And I have to say that one thing that surprised me was the small children being kind of pushed into seats and starting to cry. Well, anybody who knows anything about children, if you had that happening with 6 or 7 toddlers, somebody would come running to say, listen, what's happening here? So I found that really disturbing. I don't know whether the staff were left largely on their own, but the key to something like a childcare facility, a creche, a successful school, one of the keys is not just the dedication of the staff, it's the fact that you have a strong, active, hands-on management who really care for the children and care that their institution is the best possible institution. And I know that these were chains of for-profit creches, so I think there are questions to be asked around that and around that model.